Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this one on a pretty routine basis. Did it a couple of days ago, so that's where these green and red lines are coming from. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, and I'm going to go ahead and delete that red line out of there. Why am I doing that? Well, this purple line here has now crossed down below it. And from a big picture perspective right now, the key level of resistance is indeed that purple line. So really no point in leaving that level up there until the price can get up above the purple line. And then just from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So again, key level of resistance going forward continues to be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Now let's talk about levels of support. And so far, so good. The level that I talked about a couple of days ago was indeed tested today. You can see the price spent quite a bit of time hovering down around the 009 area. And to give credit where credit's due, the price ultimately was able to hold up above this level. Yeah, you know, it got shaky at a few points with the price dropping down below it. But again, to be fair, the bulls were able to close the price up above it. So far, so good. 009 is indeed still holding that support. And you certainly want to, you know, continue to see that happen going forward. You know, if this is the stabilization point, that would be a good sign. Now, in the event this is not, you know, the stabilization point, and the bears are going to show up again, where is the next level of technical support at? I realize the chart's kind of hard to see, but we're going way back on the chart's history now. Next level of support here at 0077. So 0077, next key level of resistance, or excuse me, of support if 009 cannot hold. But yeah, so far the price is, you know, hanging around this, you know, getting some congestion right around that level of support. So from a bullish perspective, that is a good initial first step, but there's still work to be done. And the next bit of work to be done is not necessarily bouncing upwards, but even, you know, at this point in time, just going sideways. Sideways action is just as good as upwards price action, you know, in this junction of time. You're like, well, geez, that's setting the bar kind of low. Yeah, maybe it is, but you got to remember the context of things. Context of things is the price keeps getting, you know, knocked downwards. So any sort of sideways action, in my opinion, at least, is just as good as upwards price action. Is that would symbolize, you know, potential stabilization taking place. And that's always going to be the key thing. You know, very rarely does the price go straight down and then straight back up. Usually some sort of stabilization and consolidation needs to happen. So off to a consolidation start here. We'll see if it can continue to consolidate tomorrow and into Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.